That debate over body cameras for Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputies is not going anywhere anytime soon. In fact, it's taken a new turn.
As Sheriff Manny Gonzalez insists the cameras will not make the public any safer, a civil rights attorney is raising concerns about how the Sheriff's Department is fighting crime. Ryan Laughlin joins us now. Ryan.
Yeah, Steve and Ted, so we're outside the Sheriff's Department right now, and the Sheriff has sent his deputies into high crime areas of Albuquerque at the request of frustrated business owners and neighbors. But, however, a prominent attorney now is raising concerns about those policing tactics and says that it could be violating people's rights. The Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office doesn't have body cams, but they did let us ride along with our cameras.
You don't have any weapons or anything on your head? Nothing at all?
Some have concerns about how this policing is done.
What they're doing is creating a police state.
Civil rights attorney Joe Kennedy says it's possible Bernalillo County deputies are breaking the law to arrest people.
This is where the body cameras would help law enforcement, would help us to examine what exactly is going on.
This, for example, is a Terry frisk. It's a search officers use to ensure there's no dangerous weapons that could harm them. But Kennedy says it's illegal to do without reasonable suspicion.
They can't do it just on every person they stop or every person they interact with.
But on the flip side, some people would say, hey, they are picking up people with warrants, they're getting drugs off the street, they're getting guns off the street. This is working.
It's not working. It's not working because you're loading up the jails. You're creating dangerous situations in the jails. You're putting people with mental health issues and addicts in a place where they don't belong, and you're not taking care of the underlying problems. And those people are going to be back in those neighborhoods as soon as BCSO is gone.
With Sheriff Gonzalez firmly opposing body-worn cameras, Kennedy says a lawsuit could be coming.
What I'd like to get a court to do is require them to buy body cameras in order to make sure that there is safe policing going on and constitutional policing.
Is it possible a court can mandate a department to wear body cameras?
Absolutely.
Have we seen that in other places?
Well, I'm not sure specifically in other places, but a court can order a police department to adopt reforms that will address issues of unconstitutional policing.
Now, in a statement, Sheriff Gonzalez says, in part, that wealthy, high-priced attorneys make their millions from suing the government at the taxpayer expense, while BCSO is focused on lawfully combating crime. From downtown Albuquerque, I'm Ryan Laughlin, KOB4.